Dear children, in this video I am just going to show you how to add two numbers of any length considering any number system. So here we have two numbers on the screen, you can see, and both belongs to decimal number system. The first number is 234 and the second number is 456. And since we know that the base of the decimal number system, which is 10, so how to operate, how to add these two. So we pick the last pair, which is 4 and 6. The sum is 10. Here the sum is actually 10. Now how to add 10 mod 10 means the remainder will be 0 here. So 0 will come here, and 10 by 10, which is 1. And this by 10, which is 1, becomes the carry. And now in the next step, what you have to do, you have to add 5, 3 plus 1, which is 9. So 9 mod 10, which is 9 here, and 9 mod 10, which is 9 here, and 9 by 10, which is 0 here. So 0 comes here. And now you add 0, 2 and 4, which is 6. So 6 mod 10, which is 6, and 6 by 10, which is 0. So now we have done this. So this is how you have to do. Consider another case in which suppose the number is 6, 7, 8, 9 and the second number is only 9 and 7. What do you have to do then? In that case, we have to append two zeros in front of this smaller one. And here then additional two digits are needed, which is now the two numbers are balanced, and now the same process we will be repeating here. The question is these numbers of any length, so we cannot consider any other data type, rather than we will be considering only string str, and this is string str, or we can say it string num. So this is what string data type we have considered, so that we can consider any number, we can hold any number of any length. And now here addition is the name of the class, and here main method. Let us see it's working. Yes, it's working. So here two numbers we want to. So first of all we have declared string first and string second, and one more variable r is needed, and then enter first number, which is this, and first is ss dot next, and not next. Here I will be using scalar class. So first of all import java.util.asterisk, and here new scanner system.in dot next line. This is how we can input the first number, and enter second number, which is this one. Second is new scanner system.in dot next line. Here also we have entered the second number here. The object of first I am going to create, which is first, not first. It is obj1 new addition and passing first, and here addition obj2 new addition, and here we are passing second, like this. In this we have got This is the constructor. So here this dot num is equals to num and void display. So it is num. So this much we have done. Suppose here we have another function whose return type is addition, and the name is add. The name of the function is add, and passing another object. So this function addition add addition obj2 will receive two numbers. One has been encapsulated in the current calling object and another has been encapsulated in the pass object, and it will return the resultant one. Here I have taken this R for the resultant, few more variables. I have taken C is for carry and S is for the pair sum. And here two local variables. This is for the first number, and this is for the second number we have created, which is vj1 dot. Before we are going to process, we have to make sure that the length of these two numbers is exactly same. So how to do that? While first dot length is not equals to second dot length. While first dot length is not equals to second dot length, and if first dot length is more than second dot length, if this is the case, second is equals to 0 plus second, and if first dot length is less than second dot length, then first is equals to 0 plus first. Children, in case if the length is already identical, suppose the number is 897 and another number is 978. In this case, the length is already identical. Then what you have to do? One additional 0 we have to append. One additional 0 you have to append at the beginning of these two numbers. Because when you add 8 plus 9 along with the carry, then some digit will be overflowed, and that overflowed digit we have to add with the help of these two zeros. So that's why we need to append. And here in this case, suppose the first number is 897 and the second number is 978. Then since the length is same, so this loop will not work. So anyhow, we have to append one additional 0 at the beginning in both these numbers. So here what to do is, here we should write first is 0 plus first, and second is 0 plus second. And now we are going to add both these. So before we are going to add, we have to store all the digits within this variable v, like this. Now I'm going to add. So here I have to start a loop that will go from first dot length -1 and how long up to 0 and I minus. And then here s is equals to this carry plus v dot index of first dot caret of I plus v dot index of second dot caret of I this, and after that what we have to do is we have to, inside this we have to write r is equals to v dot caret of s mod 10 plus r, and c is equals to s by 10. This is what we have done. And finally we need to return new addition and passing this r. So this is what we have done, and here we need to call this. So addition obj3 is equals to obj1 dot add obj2 dot this one, and here after that the sum is which is obj3 dot display. Let us see that and how it works. obj2 dot num cannot find symbol string first second, obj2 dot here, obj2, yes it is, obj1 cannot find symbol, so it is obj2. Okay, it is capital num, where it is capital num, it is capital num where it is small num, which is okay, it is small num, then where it is, let me see that. System cannot find symbol, Java error at line number 36, line number, okay, here it is small num, and addition spelling is not correct here, addition TION. See, suppose the number is 123 and another number is 233, you see that the sum is 356. One additional 0 has been appended at the beginning, so it is 6 and 5 and it is 3. Yes, it is working. So I would like to explain this one more time. What is the purpose of this v? The purpose of this v, that with the help of index of function, if we are passing 0 there, so you will get the index number 0. If you are passing 1, you will get the index number 1. If you are passing 2, you will get the index number 2. With the help of this v, we are converting the character digit into integer equivalent. So if here we are passing 0, so it will return 0 index number. So this is how we are adding the last two digits. Now suppose the number is 456 and another one is 897. What is happening? What is happening here? We have added one additional 0. We had added one additional 0 here. What is happening here? Suppose we have got, so initially first dot length minus 1 means we have got 6. So 6 we will be getting 6 here, and its integer equivalent 6 we have got. Initially its value is 0, and here we are getting 6, and here we are getting 7. So 6 plus 7, which is 13. So here we are getting 13 here. So now when we are getting 13, so 13 mod 10, 3 will get extracted and appended in this variable r, and this 13 by 10, which is 1. So for the next step, carry becomes 1, and next step when I gets decremented, it extracts 5, and here it extracts 9. So this time 9 plus 5 plus 1 will happen, so which is 15. And this time what will happen? 15 mod 10, here we will be getting 5, and by 10 next step we will be receiving 1, and here next step we will be receiving 4, Here we will be receiving 8. So 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 1, which is 13. So 13 mod 10 here. We will be receiving 3. And 3 will come right here. And then 13 by 10 we will be receiving 1 here as a carry. So next time you will be receiving 0. Next time here you will be receiving 0. So 0 plus 1, which is 1. And 1 mod 10 you will be receiving 1. So this is how we have added. Now just check it. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13, 3, 1 carry. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 9, 15. 5, 1 carry. 4 plus 1, 5. 8 plus 8, 13. 3 here, 1 carry. 1 plus 0 plus 1, which is 1. So this is how we have added. So let us see one more example of the larger one. Suppose two large numbers we can just check. Suppose the number is 987 and another number is 897. You see that here the sum is 1884. So 7 plus 7, which is 14. 4, 1 carry. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 8, 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 1 carry. 1 plus 0 plus 1, which is this. So it's working. Now see another example here. Suppose the number is 1, 2. Like this, we are having large numbers, and here also we are having some large numbers like this. So this will work in this case also. Since there is no limitation of number of digits here, it will follow the capacity of string data type. So this is how it's working. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.